Now here you see we'll be dealing with the connective tissue. So basically, if you see the definition here, okay, now tissues that are adapted for special function of linking and supporting other tissue organ of the body. Can you see it properly? Here you see. Okay. Now what is basically the definition? See, tissues that are adapted for special function of linking and supporting other tissues are an organ of the body. So that means they are used for linking and supporting. Okay, connective tissue that are for linking and supporting other tissues or organ are known as connective tissue. Now you see, what are the various type of connective tissue? They are generally four types. What are the basic four types? You have the cartilage, you have the bone, you have the adipose tissue, and you have the blood. So these are the basically four types of connective tissue. So connective tissues are basically or generally are of three types. Okay, so what are the three types of connective tissue? Number one, they are the loose connective tissue. Second is the dense connective tissue, and third is a specialized connective tissue. So what are the three types? Again I repeat, they are the loose connective tissue, the dense connective tissue, and the specialized connective tissue. Okay, now what are the loose connective tissue? Here you see what are loose connective tissue. Now cells and fibers, they are very loosely arranged. That means they are within a semi-fluid medium. Here you see it is a semi-fluid medium. Now what are those? See, they are in the areolar tissue. Okay, now they form the supporting framework of the epithelium. Now what do they form? They form the supporting framework of the epithelium, and they consist of, what do they consist of? Fibroblast cell, macrophages, and mast cell. Okay, now you see here you have the adipose tissue. Now what is adipose tissue? Adipose tissue are connecting tissues mainly found beneath the skin. What is the function of adipose tissue? They store fat. Okay, so these are loose connective tissue. So again I repeat, what is a loose connective tissue? Loose connective tissue is basically made up of two types, the areolar tissue and the adipose tissue. They are mainly made up of fibroblast cell, macrophages, and mast cell. They are found they are generally supporting tissues supporting the framework of the epithelium. That means they are found under the skin. So basically they are known as of storing fat. Now again is a dense connective tissue. Now here what is the difference between loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue? See, the matrix is semi-fluid, and here in dense connective tissue, see again they have fibers and fibroblasts, but they are not in a semi-fluid matter. Here they are compactly packed, and they have got dense irregular pattern of arrangement of cells. Now they consist of, see, collagen fiber. Okay, they consist of collagen fiber and parallel bundles of fibers, for example tendons, ligaments, and they are even present in the skin. Collagen fiber is even present in the skin, that gives the firmness and elasticity to the skin. So that they are rich in collagen fiber. Now next comes the specialized connective tissue. So what are specialized connective tissue? Specialized connective tissues are cartilage, bones, and blood. Now here you see this irregular pattern, dense connective tissue. We were talking of tendon joins muscles to bone, ligament joins bone to bone. So that is how they connect together. Now here we have the cartilaginous tissue, the intracellular material in solid and malleable and resisting to compression. That means you cannot compress cartilage to deform the shape. Most of these tissues have chondrocyte. See, cartilaginous tissues, they have chondrocytes, and they are engrossed in small material. They are engrossed in small matrix enclosing them. Now where do we find them? Okay, where we find them? At the tip of the nose, the outer ear, the joint between the adjacent bones of the vertebral column. Okay, now where do we find the bones? They are hard and non-palleable. See, they are palleable. That means cartilage are little soft, but here the bones are absolutely non-palleable and they are made up of ground substances that is rich in calcium. Rich in calcium salts, collagen fiber, and this calcium salt gives a firmness to the bone. Now bone cells are made up of osteocytes. Okay, bones are made up of osteocytes and they are present in the space called lacuna. Okay, they are present in the space called lacuna and they provide the structural framework. They provide the structural framework and support and protection to the softer tissues. Even bone marrow produces the blood cells. And what is blood? Blood is the fluid connective tissue. Here you see the blood is a fluid connective tissue. They help in circulating fluids and transporting various substances in the body. They have got WBC, RBC and blood platelets. Okay, so here this is basically the chapter. Here you see the figure of collagen fiber. These are cartilaginous cell. Here these are RBCs. Here you see the open spaces. This is osteocytes. This is the lacunae, and we have the specialized connective tissue. In my next class, we'll be dealing with the muscular tissue. Okay, so you have to go through this this part of the chapter. See, we started from here. See, connective tissues. Okay, connective tissues here. We started from here. Now here we had the different type of connective tissue. See, loose connective tissue that includes the adipose, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Here you see loose connective tissue. They are arranged in semi-fluid substances. This consists of areolar tissue just beneath the skin, supporting framework of the epithelium. Then we have the adipose tissue that stores fat beneath the skin. Okay, here these are the structures. You see they have got the collagen fiber, macrophages and mast cells. Okay, and here you see the again the fibrous and fibroblasts. They form the dense connective tissue. These fibers, they are dense and regular or irregular tissues. Okay, the tendons are there, ligaments are there. These tissues are present in the skin, cartilage, like this. Okay, and again here you have the cartilage. We have the bones and cartilage. Cartilage is palleable. Okay, see, they are palleable. Palleable means they can be compressed a little, and see, bones, they are completely non-palleable. That means you cannot change the structure by pressing, and here it is a fluid connective